Hello, welcome to the class. I am Surjit Kumar, TGT English from Kendri Vidyalaya, Suranusi, Jalandhar. Today, my topic is The Lost Child for class 9th. The story is written by Mulkhraj Anand. Now, something about the author. Mulkhraj Anand is one of the celebrated Indian writers in English. The story The Lost Child is one of his most popular stories. Mulkhraj Anand was born on 12 December 1905 and died on 28 September 2004. He was an Indian writer in English notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional English society. One of the pioneers of Anglo Indian fiction, he, together with R. K. Narayan, Ahmad Ali, and Raja Rao, was one of the first India based writers in English to gain an international readership. Mulkhraj Anand is admired for his novels and short stories, which have acquired the status of classic of the modern Indian English literature. The Lost Child. Introduction of the lesson. A child goes to a festival along with his parents. He is fascinated by the things he sees on the way. There are many attractions in the fair like toys, merry-go-rounds, eatables, etc. The child asks his parents to buy these things for him, but his parents refused because they had not enough money. Then he gets attracted to a roundabout. Suddenly he turns around and finds his parents are not there. He is lost. Panic stricken, he runs in different directions to find his mother and father. Since the story deals with the child who loves his parents and get lost in the fair. Now, summary of the lesson. Festival of Spring. It was the spring season. People were going in large number to the fair of spring. A child was going to the fair along with his parents. He was very happy and had great excitement. He was attracted towards so many lovely things found there. The toys in the shop had a special fascinated for the child. There are so many other things to attract the attention of the child. Mustard flower had turned the field golden. The dragonflies were fluttering in the field. To divert the child's attraction, his mother drew his attention towards the mustard field. The dragonflies were fluttering in the field. Mustard flower had turned the field golden. To see the dragonfly on the flower, the child wanted to catch a dragonfly. In the meantime, mother called him. He followed his parents. Now he heard the dove cooing. Some little insect caught his attention. After some time, the child entered the fair along with his parents. He heard a sweet meat seller selling sweet like gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, and jalebi. The child's mouth watered at the moment of barfi. He said to his parents, I want that barfi. But his request was ignored by his parents. Other things and seen at the fair. The child followed his parents in the fair. He saw a flower seller selling garland of flowers. The child wanted to have a basket of flowers, but he knew that his parents would not buy the basket of flowers. That is why he followed his parents. Then he saw a balloon seller. The balloon seller was selling various colors of balloons. The child had a desire to buy the balloons, but his parents' response was clear to him. They moved further. Then the child saw a snake charmer. The snake charmer was playing flute to the snake. The child wanted to hear the sound and music of the flute, but he was not allowed to stay any longer. The child was following his parents. The child was attracted toward the snake charmer, but he remembered his parents asking him not to hear such music. He went on walking. Then he saw a merry-go-round. He requested his parents to allow him to have a ride. He called his mother. Then he called his father, but there was no response from his parents. The child saw here and there. He could not find his parents there. He realized that he had been lost. The child immediately ran towards the temple. Then he ran towards the people where there was a great rush. He hoped he could find his parents there, but there were too many people and he could not see his parents. He started crying again and again, "Mother, Father." Tears rolled down from his eyes. He ran here and there, but there was a great crowd of people. There was nobody to help him in searching of his parents. Then he rushed toward the shrine, but there was also a huge rush of people. Suddenly, a man heard his crying, and he took pity on the child. He, moved by the cries of the child, he picked the child in his arms and asked how he had reached there. But the child had only one thing to say: "I want my mother. I want my father." The man took the child to the various places. He took him to the snake charmer and the merry-go-round. He asked the child to have a ride on the horse, but the child wanted only his parents. The man offered him balloons, sweets, etc., but nothing could give him solace. All the things which attracted him before had no fascination for him. Now he wanted only one thing, that is, his parents. Learning outcome. What do we learn after reading the story, reading the lesson, and summary of the lesson? That is learning outcome. What have we learnt from this lesson? During childhood, we long for so many things we see in our day to day life. The child is attracted towards so many things he comes across, but very often he does not understand the true value of his parents and taken them for granted. The significance of parents is only realized when they are out of sight and we start longing for them. We realize that we cannot carry on without the help of our parents. This is what the child realizes once he got lost in the fair. In the fair, the child comes across many things he wants to buy, but is refused by his parents. Finally, he is attracted by the roundabout and goes near it. He gets separated from his parents and suddenly misses them. Though a man tries to calm the child by offering many things, the child wanted only his parents. Now, some questions for practice. Dear students, in our examination, there are short answer type questions and value based question asked in it. So here are some very important questions for you, and you can answer these questions with the help of the summary of the lesson. Now, first question is, why did the child always lag behind his parents while moving in the fair? Question number second, why did the roundabout in the fair attract the child? Question number third, how did the child feel when he passed through the mustard field? Question number 4, how did the sweet shop in the fair affect the child? Now last question is, where did the kind-hearted man find the lost boy in the fair? These are some questions for practice. You can answer these questions with the help of this summary. Bye, dear students. Thank you for watching. Thank you and have a